Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Julie from Living Large on Lifetime, and today I am doing a slow cooker fall collab with so many amazing, wonderful women. Please check the description box down below to see more awesome ideas on slow cooker fall recipes. There are so many amazing ladies that are doing this with me. Today I'm going to make slow cooker sweet potatoes, green beans, and bacon. So I'm going to jump right in and let's get started. Okay, first thing we're going to do is get our turkey bacon cooking. So I have this Oscar Mayer turkey bacon. I'm going to use 10 slices of turkey bacon and just fry it up in the pan. Okay, while the bacon is cooking, I'm going to cut, peel, and dice 4 cups worth of sweet potatoes. These are actually sweet yams, which is what my grocery store happened to have. You can use sweet potatoes, yams, or even regular white or red potatoes in this recipe. Okay, here's my diced sweet potatoes. Now, instead of using green beans, I'm actually going to use Brussels sprouts and carrots, just because I want a little different flavor. I love the flavor of Brussels sprouts. So now I'm going to add the Brussels sprouts and carrots in with the yams. Okay, in the crock pot so far, we've got our Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, carrots, and the bacon. So I'm just going to stir this together, and now it's time to add the seasonings into all of this as well. Okay, so here's the spices I used. I used a half a teaspoon of salt, just regular salt. I used a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper. I used a 1/4 teaspoon of minced chopped onion, and I used an 1/8 teaspoon of just some cinnamon. So I'm going to stir that up into all of the vegetables. I've also got 2 tablespoons of water in here. It also calls for 2 tablespoons of bacon grease. I didn't have the bacon grease, and also I wouldn't have added it, so I added 2 extra tablespoons of water. So there's 4 tablespoons of water with the seasonings and the vegetables and the bacon. The thing I added was some onion. This calls for 1 cup of chopped onion. I used purple onion just so I could get some more of that nice color variation in my crockpot dish. So looks really pretty. Okay, so now we are just going to turn this on high for 2.5 hours and let the crockpot do its thing. That's it. Okay, and here's our final dish. It's so good and comforting. It tastes like fall. It tastes like comfort food. Oh, so good. Give it a try, you guys. Let me know if you like this recipe. I'm going to post it down below. It is 3 smart points per cup. And I think I think I made about 6 servings. So 3 smart points per cup. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.